For more on global markets, including a look at individual stocks, we turn to Laura Board in the Deal's London newsroom. It's looking like there's a handful of factors impacting markets in Europe as well as in Asia. Laura, tell us more.
Yeah, that's right, John. People are very focused now on initial jobless claims figures coming out of the US and November retail figures from the US due out about exactly 8:30 at East Coast time. The thinking is that the Fed may take their cue from those figures when they meet next week for their policy meeting, at which they may decide to pare back their monthly bond buying program. Over in Europe, indices are largely down. Three corporate stories worth noting. Firstly, car maker Peugeot Citroën. Its stock has fallen as much as 11% this morning. It's announced it's taking a $1.5 billion currency hit in the current year. It's also postponed and scaled back synergies it expects from an alliance with General Motors. It's confirmed that it's considering some form of joint venture with Chinese car maker Dongfeng. We don't know what that will be. It will probably be producing cheaper cars for the Southeast Asian market. In relation to that, it's said it's likely to sell new shares. Reports have said it may issue as much as $4.1 billion in new stock. Over in Finland, Fortum, the biggest utility, has said it's made a $2.6 billion gain on the sale of its power distribution unit to Borealis, the Canadian Infrastructure Fund, and a unit of Commonwealth Bank of Australia. It's also said it may sell other power distribution businesses in the Nordic region as it focuses on power generation. Investors have liked that news and its stock is trading sharply higher. And finally, there may be yet another European telecom deal before year end. Ziggo, the Dutch cable company, has said it's in its second round of takeover talks of the year with Liberty Global, John Malones International telecoms consolidation business. The stock is up sharply, valuing Liberty's stock at $9.1 billion. Liberty already owns, of course, 28.5% of Ziggo, so the chances are that this time they may well be able to strike a deal. Back to you, John.
Thank you very much, Laura. That was Laura Board with the Deal's newsroom in London. The Street. I'm John Marino.